Hey guys, it's immigration attorney Mel with LaGrone Law. And this month, the month of June, is Pride Month. And we wanted to start, or we are starting, a LGBTQ same-sex marriage immigration petition, kind of like educational series. For those of you that don't know, immigration is a very complex, it is a very difficult practice area, and it has a lot of kind of quirks and intricacies and things like that already. But then when you bring in the fact that it's a same-sex marriage, now you're coming up against other difficulties, okay? And so what we want to do is we want to educate you and give you at least like 3 or 4 different maybe red flags, I would call them, for same-sex marriages. Just to be on the lookout, if you are in a same-sex marriage and you are looking to file your immigration petition, you know, whether it be you are married to a United States citizen, or you're married to a lawful permanent resident, or even you are applying for your fiance visa or a fiance visa. There are some things that you do want to be aware of, just so that you know you will understand how the process will go and to make sure that your application gets approved. So the number one red flag that I have seen in my practice is if you are, let's say if you're a man and you are currently married to another man, okay, but previously you were married to a woman. So you have a divorce from a woman, so you had a heterosexual marriage, and now you are in a same-sex marriage. That is a red flag for immigration purposes, okay? And I know everyone is saying, you know, well, maybe, you know, USCIS or the government is just, you know, picking on people and things like that. Well, they pick on people even if they're in a heterosexual marriage, okay? So at the end of the day, they're definitely gonna pick on you if you're in a same-sex marriage. And by pick on, I mean really scrutinize that marriage, okay? So if you are in a same-sex marriage and you were previously married to in a heterosexual marriage, understand that you will probably have hoops that you have to overcome. In other words, you are going to have a whole lot of evidence and bona fides to show that this current marriage is definitely legitimate and that you're not just marrying for a green card, okay? And especially if you have any sort of instances where, let's say, maybe your family's not involved because of the type of marriage that you're in or anything like that, there's just a lot of hoops that you will have to jump through. And so I always tell people, always, even if you're in a heterosexual marriage, go get an immigration attorney, okay? We are knowledgeable, we are experienced, we know the different types of things that the questions that the government's gonna ask, the evidence that the government is going to want to see to make sure that your marriage is legitimate. So never go at it alone, okay? Because we will be able to walk you through and help you get that evidence to show, yes, you know, I'm in a same-sex marriage right now, and yes, I was in a heterosexual marriage back then, but this is the person that I want to be with. This is the person that I felt more comfortable with, and this is the person that, you know, I want to continue my life with here in the United States, and showing and proving that big picture for USCIS. So tune in next week. I want you to like, follow, share, comment, maybe if you have any questions or anything like that of what information that you would like to learn and hear about in this LGBTQ same-sex marriage series for June, and I will definitely try to accommodate you. So I am immigration attorney Mel. This is LaGrone Law, and you can reach us at 678-250-5449. If you're in the Virgin Islands, you can reach us at 340-626-0778. Our website is lagronelaw.com, and we are on all social media platforms at LaGrone Law. So until next time, bye-bye.